Hello everybody, welcome to another Playing with Drawing video. So I struggled this week with finding something I wanted to draw because although we've been going out, I haven't been taking a lot of pictures because I've just been enjoying the moment, which, you know what, there's nothing wrong with that. But a while back, as we are often, we were at the Oregon coast. It's one of our favorite places to go, and we were in Seaside. We drove to Cannon Beach, went to the walk on the beach. We saw Haystack Rock, which if you know, you know, and we're going to draw that. Am I great at drawing water? No. Is this going to turn out really bad? Maybe, but we are going to just go with it, and we are going to try. We're going to do more of a contour drawing method as usual, where I'm going to try just looking at the picture, drawing what I'm interpreting from the picture, and going from there. Now, the day we were there, there were a lot of people on the beach. It was actually a really good day. I may try to put a little kind of abstracted figures. It was cold and cloudy and windy, but you know what? That's actually our favorite time to go to the beach. So we're going to do some marks with pencil. Whoops. Okay. We're going to go in with pen. I am going to go with the dark gray again. And I'm going to go with the pencil lines that I like, that I think give me the best suggestion of what I saw and will make a good drawing. If you hear noises in the background, voices in the background, husband is working from home today, as he usually is. Gonna add some texture to some of these. This is the horizon line where the water was. Oh, again, I need to be better at drawing water. I need to take some classes on drawing water, because I'm very out of practice. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Leave them down in the comments, because I'd venture to guess I'm probably not the only one. And again, I like these drawings to be more abstracted. That makes me happy. I don't expect them to be perfect by any stretch of anybody's imagination, because trying to be perfect, for many reasons I won't get into on camera, ramps up my anxiety. Okay. I always write something about the photo. And where I took it. Now, the pictures are available for your use over on Patreon, and you can use them to do a piece of art with, like this, or use them in their given form to do some kind of mixed media junk journaling thing with. That's up to you, but you do have to be a member of Patreon. If you would like to support the free content here on my channel, then I would appreciate that. Now I'm going to use some white pencil, which you're totally not going to be able to see, to sort of preserve some of the paper and or make the paint that's going to go on a little bit lighter. Now it was sort of a cloudy day. And if this doesn't work the way I want, we'll go over it with some white paint pen. Okay, now we need to pick a water brush. Let's use this one. I might need that. And I might need my toothbrush head. Where'd it go? I just saw it. There we go. So these are my two favorite like watercolory painting drawing tools. Third favorite's probably this guy. We'll keep it out. Alrighty. I'm gonna start with the sky. I'm gonna put some blue over here in what was red and now is gonna end up being like a gray-y purple. But again, it was sort of a cloudy day. And yeah, see, there you go. That's the white color pencil. And then you can just kind of do this to blot. Add some, while this is wet, I'm going to add some of the pure blue. That works for me. Okay. Oh, now we'll do the ocean. I'm just putting on a little bit of paint because with watercolor, you can always make it darker, but you can't really very easily make it lighter, which is the opposite of other mediums. And then add a little bit of that sky coloring. Okay, we're going to take some browny gray color and use that on our rocks. Okay, and then I'm going to take a dark gray, trying to work fairly quickly while the brown is still wet. Okay. Sand. We need sand. Let's see. Let's take our browny gray and add some yellow to it. That might be too much yellow. Oh, mixing colors is always fun. Okay. And let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna get out a fine brush with a small head, and we're gonna take our darkest color. Do our little abstract people. They're abstract. You don't even need to add any, don't even try to add details. Just give little abstracted, humanish sort of shape. And you're good. Okay, the last thing that I want to do is go in with a paint pen. This is obviously a white paint pen, and it's just going to give it some texture for, like, the waves were crashing up around the rocks the day that we were there. And I want to you're not going to really be able to see it, I don't think, but I can see it. And this is an acrylic paint pen, so it's going to take a while to dry, but that's okay. There we go. I'm happy with that. What do you think? I didn't even use these. I thought we were going to end up using them, but we didn't. The only thing is I might, in the parts of the paint pen that's still wet. Yeah. Okay. Yep, that works. Okay, there we go. That's it. All right, this is what I've done with this picture. I'd love to see what you're doing. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. I do reply to all of the things left on all of my videos. And if you do something inspired by this picture, whatever it is, I'd love to see it. Please tag me in the post. And yeah. Check the video description for relevant links, ways to support the free content like the Patreon link. And don't forget the most important thing, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.